Swordtee.
Hi, it's Swordtee again. Yeah, so that last video was kind of an extra. This was the video I was really gonna do, but this time I just went through a bunch of old comics of mine. Then I just thought maybe I could voice some of my old comics and see how they turn out. Yeah, so these were just a bunch of old comics I made years ago. I mean, not all of them are comics, but drawings that have some quotation marks or sound effects in them. So just sit back and enjoy the video. Let's check them out.
You did
it! You really did it! Congratulations, bro!
Great job, Foosh, son.
Oops. Hey, look, I evolved! This was all thanks to Water Jet.
Great
Good
job,
job,
Flipsy! You look
You
good!
sure
look new now!
The Cow Show. Happy anniversary.
Oh, thanks. Happy anniversary to you, too.
Keep your eyes open.
That was the first one who won Money of the World. Back to you, Gregory. An extra short story with Humpty Lumpy and a bean made out of poop.
I love eating beans.
Hey, I'm made out of poop, stupid!
Stephanie's children got kidnapped by Poikufufu. It's up to Stephanie and Al to save their 3 children. Moonbow Power Arrow. Ground Bubble. Heartstopper. Enchanted Weapon Slice. Holy Laser. Dr. Ewage and a Swanicorn Kissing? We got a Brachiosauraptor here! Staraptor are not mammals, they're Pokemon! And besides, it's fat already! Staraptor! Sorry. Oh! Good thing it's Friday, there's no school tomorrow. Huh? Uh-oh, it's 8:20! I better hurry! Oh man, I'm gonna miss the bus! I made it. Wait, don't go! Oh, I missed the bus. Hey, what's that? An elephant stop? Hello, does this elephant go to my school? I'm surprised this comic actually had the name of my actual school, so I brushed it out. Sure it does. Hop on. Off we go. Here we are, your school. All right! Yes, right on time. Wow, they changed the junior high side a lot. Hey guys, I went to school by riding an elephant. Cool, I went to school by Whirlwind. Whirlwind was cool. We all took Whirlwind. Whirlwind is like teleporting. Same subjects, math, social studies, English, physical education. Home time. That's Whirlwind? Yep, that's Whirlwind. There's the elephant stop. Do you stop near my place? Once again, good thing I brushed it out. Yes, hop on. Off we go. Here we are, you're home. Oh my gosh, it showed my exact location right there. I'm so glad I brushed that out. Yeah, I'm home. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that video I just did right there. Voicing some old comics that were kind of embarrassing to me. I'll see you on next week's video. Be seeing ya.
Swordtee.